Young women these days dress up like prostitutes. She probably has no talent, so she has to get attention by showing skin.
Wait, what? Did you just call me a prostitute? Seriously? Really?
I've seen plenty of hookers who wore more clothes than you.
Wow, you're so mean. What did I ever do to you?
I'm just saying, if you want to be respected, then you need to dress respectably. Can't you afford to buy another pair of stockings? You're missing one. And why do you have a black tie around your thigh? What's the point? And why wear just half a jacket? Did you get that from a scrap heap?
You're such a mean old man. This is called rocker girl style. Hey, wait a second. You're so obsessed about how I look. Maybe, just maybe, do you have a hidden desire for me? Oh, come on, don't be shy. Is your heart racing now?
My heart! I can't breathe!
I would call 911, but I do not have a phone accessory. Sorry.
But your hands are dirty too. You see me through your shame. Now get to kotobawa, just a mirror with your name.